Today we're gonna read Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hic 在这里很小 ，hic 在这里 ，OK。Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccups. Oh no! Oh no! The hiccups. Pete has the hiccups. Hic. 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 那是叫打嗝。Hic. Hic. Hiccups. Hiccups. How do you stop the hiccups? 你怎么停止打嗝 ？Hicks, hicks， 这两个 hicks。Pete asked Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" 问青蛙的母打嗝。I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. 青蛙说你要这样子带一只脚，像弗明狗一样吗？站在一只脚带一个 foot。Pete stand on one foot. Hiccups. Hic. 喵咪站到一只脚，打嗝。Hic. 怎么还是打嗝嘞 ？Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. 那个猫咪还有打嗝。Hic. Pete asked Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" Pete 问 Callie 的母说：“怎么才不打嗝？” I know, said Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. 我知道 ，Callie 说的。Callie 说他知道怎么不打嗝。Callie 说的，你站到一只脚，跟跳上去，跟下来。Pete stand on one foot. He hop up and down. 喵喵站到一个脚，跟他跳上去，跟跳下来。Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. 一个 hic. 他还有打嗝。Pete asked Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" I know, said Gus. Pete 问 Gus 的母它不用打嗝啊？我知道。谁？Gus， 我知道。Gus 说的。You stand on one foot, and hop up and down, and sing a song. 你站到一个脚，跟你跳上去，跟你跳下来，然后你唱一个歌。Pete stand on one foot. He hop up and down. He sing a song. 喵喵站在一个脚，然后他跳上去跟跳下来，他唱一个歌。Hiccups, hiccups, 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 hiccups. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. 打嗝，打嗝，打嗝。喵喵还有打嗝。Hic, hic, hic, hic. 平常我也有 hiccups. Pete asked Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" Pete 问 Bob, 怎么才不会打嗝？ I know, said Bob. Bob 说他知道。You stand on one foot, and you hop up and down, and sing a song and rub your belly, said Bob. 他说一只脚站着，跟你要跳上去，跟跳下来。跟他说你要唱一个歌，然后跟他说你要摸你肚子。Bob 说的。Pete 做了。你看这个 picture。Splash！ 你看，你看这个picture吗？它掉下去那个雪了。Hiccups 它掉下去。Hiccups, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. 打嗝没有一个有用，他还是有打嗝。Go ask Mom, said Bob. 去问你的妈妈 ，Bob 说。Pete asked Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" Hiccups， 这样，那是叫 hiccups。I know, said Mom. Pete asked 妈妈，怎么才不会打嗝？我知道，妈妈说的。You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. 你要深呼吸一次。Pete 做了深呼吸一次了。Hold your breath and blow blow it out, say Mom. 憋住你的气，然后吹出来。妈妈说的。Pete hold his breath. Pete 憋住他的气。Pete blew his breath out. Pete 吐他的气出来。That's it? Pete asked. That's it, say Mom. Pete 问他就这样。妈妈说的。妈妈说的这样。Pete wait and he wait. 喵喵在等，妈妈还在等。妈妈在看他会不会有 hiccups. And he waits. 跟他还在等。The hiccups are gone. Mom are so smart. 那个打嗝没有了。妈妈好聪明。点是这个 picture. The end. Hope you like it. Bye.